Good morning. Topic for today is finding the x-intercepts for a parabola, which are right there and there. You'll notice that where the x-intercepts are, the y-coordinate is 0. So the first step is, using the equation, we just replace y with 0. The left side of the equation is 0. It's not too hard to see that x equals 1 would make the right side of the equation 0, or x equals 6. If we look at our graph, this looks like that could be at around x equals 1 and this around x equals 6, so it looks like we got it right. This example is in vertex form. The x-intercepts are here and here. Notice the y-coordinate is 0, so if we're using the equation to find them, we put a 0 in for y. The idea with this one is to use square roots. This is the thing that's being squared, so we'll get that by itself. And it looks like 4 looks reasonable based on the graph, and this looks like that could be -2, so we probably got that right. Don't forget, when you take a square root, this thing that's being squared is 9, so that thing could have been 3 because 3 squared is 9, or that thing could have been -3 because -3 squared is 9. The next example is in what's called standard form. Standard form means no parentheses. Square roots is probably the easiest thing to use for this one as well. We'll put a 0 in for y because the x-intercepts happen when the y value is 0. We'll isolate the x squared. One way to do this is, again, replace y with 0 because the x-intercepts happen when the y value is 0. One way to go is to factor this. Once this is factored, now it's easy to see that the possibilities for x are x equals 3 or x equals 1. And again, if we look at the graph, this is 5 over here, so it looks like this could be 1 and this could be 3. It looks like we got it right.